Want your invoices to come from your company email, not a generic QuickBooks address? Configuring your email settings adds a professional touch. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Go to Settings, Account and Settings. Select the Sales tab, then click on the Customize section for messages. Here you can set your default email subject and message that goes out with invoices and estimates. To send from your own domain, you may need to set up Verified Domains in the Company tab under Settings, which involves a quick verification step with your email provider. My crucial pro tip: add a polite, clear payment reminder to the default message. Use the message template to kindly reiterate your payment terms and thank the client for their business. This small touch can improve communication and get you paid faster. Ensure every client interaction reflects your brand's professionalism. What do you include in your standard invoice email message? For more guides on professional branding, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.